Please read the installations and safety instructions before you start. Okay, then let's get started. First, fold up the retaining bar and close the locks. Then fold out the rails and allow them to engage. Now you can position the holders for easy handling. To do this, you first unlock the collar. Now you can position the collar at the desired location and close it again. Place the small bracket first in a form-locking manner around sleeve and turn lock to lock. The bigger bracket is mounted in the same way. Okay, the bicycle rack is now ready. Place your keyless go key in a suitable place before you go to the car. This will prevent the trunk from opening unintentionally. First, clean the ball head. Unlock the clamping lever. Then pull it around about 45 degrees down without pressing the securing device. Place the bicycle rack on the ball head and swing up the lever as far as it will go. Now check that the green area of the indicator is visible. Align the rack parallel to the bumper. Press the securing device and swing the lever halfway down. Release the securing device and swing the lever down until it engages audibly. Lock the lever. Shake the rack to check that it's secured in place. Then insert the plug in the socket. Turn it clockwise as far as it will go. Now you can check the function of the lighting system. Pull the clamps on the rear upwards. Then insert the license plate, depending on the height, into the upper or lower groove of the holding rail. Now insert the license plate into the license plate bracket and allow the rail to engage. By pressing down the clips on the back, you lock the license plate. Let's check if the trunk can still be opened. Press the lock to the right. The rack is now unlocked. Push down the foot lever and pull out the rack. Alright, it works. Push the rack back again until it audibly clicks into place. Ensure that the lock springs back and covers the red mark. Now let's store the bikes on the bicycle rack. First, push all wheel holders on rails to the center and make sure that they engage. Grab the small bracket, pull the latch and pull out the tensioning strap. Start with the heaviest bike. Position the second bracket. Then lift the bike on the rack. Place the strap around the bicycle frame and thread it into the bracket. Then tighten it with the lever and lock the bracket. Push the wheel holders onto the tires. Then feed the straps centrally between two wheel spokes in the buckles and tighten them with the tensioners. Done! Now you can position the second bike in the opposite direction. It is mounted in the same way as the first. That's it! To ensure that you are always safe on the road, regularly check all screws, locking mechanisms, brackets and straps. Note that the maximum speed with the bike rack attached is 80 miles. or 130 kilometers per hour. First, turn the plug anti-clockwise and pull it out of the plug socket. Then push all wheel holders outwards. Now you can unlock the clamping lever. Press the securing device and swing the lever upwards. Release the securing device, grab the rack slightly and press the lever approximately 45 degrees down, and finally remove the rack.